On the screen, you can see the Pocket Controller Pro. This is an interface for the Motorola handheld device. So this is what's out on the floor. If they click on Quick MO, and they're presented with a list of items that they can choose from that they would like to produce. A Quick MO is an after-the-fact production entry. Maybe they're just trying to catch up on their inventory, so they're creating a bunch of Quick MOs to put that inventory into the database. So I select a lot tracked item and then pick a bin and enter a lot. And a quantity, we're going to make 100 of these, and then I will save that, and we're going to pick a serial tracked item. When you do the serial numbers, it's interesting because each one that you enter becomes a quantity. So 10121, 10122, 10123. So rather than entering this, they'll be scanning these numbers off a barcode that came out of the system when we created the serial numbers for this order. So when I hit submit now, that order for those 3 serial numbers is committed to the database. And the last one we have is the easiest. It's a none-tracked item, which would be something that doesn't have a lot or a serial number. In this case, we just pick a bin to put it into. We'll do 100 of these. Okay. So on the portal now, we should see our transactions. We have over here. So when I refresh the list, this list grows, and you can edit these transactions before they're played into the system. So I could check on these and then delete them if needed. And when I'm over in Dynamics GP, I go to this menu, Tools, Setup, Panatracker Preferences, and in here you'll see a checkbox that says Timer Event, but we're not using the timer event for our automation. So we're going to actually just run it right here. What's going to happen is every MO that's on the system that we had entered from the handheld device will be entered into Dynamics GP. Here we go. MO48 is going into the system. That was one that was queued up for a while now. We've got several different types of inventory that we're going to be playing through here. All 3 types, as a matter of fact. Just to eliminate the fact that somebody might mistype a serial number or a lot number or a quantity, that gives that functionality to scan. Also, with the scanners, you take the ruggedized device out onto the shop floor. So rather than taking a piece of paper back to the office so that someone can enter in the production, out on the shop floor they have a device that they can use to capture that data and put it right into the system. So when we're done, we should be able to go into Dynamics GP's activity for these MOs and look back at all of the serial numbers that were produced, the lot numbers that were consumed, as well as any lot numbers that were new to the system. So we're getting close here, almost done. All right, so that's it. We can go Inquiry, Manufacturing, MO Activity, and we go to the end, we can see our transaction.